In this day and age, if you're still using Facebook to post just photos and engage with high school mates, then you're doing it wrong. Facebook is a gold mine where you can make a lot of money, even up to 6 figures per month. Yes, I know you might doubt me, but it is the complete truth. Now, the first method that you can use to make a lot of money on Facebook that many people are ignoring, and it doesn't cost you a dime, is through Facebook Marketplace and shops. Here, you sell things. It can be furniture, clothes, it can even be books. Now, if you want to sell locally, then you use Facebook Marketplace. But if your goal is to sell outside your region, maybe you want to sell to the United States and you are in Africa, or you are in the United States and you want to sell in Africa, you set up a Facebook shop. This method is perfect, especially if you are a small business or you are just starting up. Now, that was the easiest one. Now, what is the number 2 method that people are using to make money on Facebook? Now, this is the second method, through creating videos. You know, Facebook now has just become like YouTube. You can monetize your videos. Especially, I usually advise people that you make videos that are around 3 minutes long. In that way, you'll be able to get a higher impression rate and thus be able to make a lot of money on Facebook. Yes, if you are a creative or you think that you can create some videos, this is the best shot for you, and it can be like a side hustle. It doesn't have to be a full-time job. For instance, if you're working 9 to 5 job from Monday to Friday, during that time when you come back home, you can create simple scripts that during the weekend you shoot these scripts and you schedule them through the Facebook professional dashboard. You schedule them to be released during the week as you're working. You see, in this way you'll be making a side hustle and on the side passive income for yourself. Besides ads showing on your videos, there's something that has come up also. It's called Facebook stars. Now, these are those things like the ones that are on TikTok, whereby you are given lion, you are given gifts. So Facebook stars are just like gifts. If people like your videos, there's an option which I'm showing you on the screen, whereby people can gift you these stars, and 1 star equals to 5 cents. Now imagine that you have a video that has more than 100,000 or even 1 million views, because getting views on Facebook is not very hard. You cannot compare Facebook to YouTube. On YouTube is a little bit hard, but on Facebook, trust me, this is doable. Now, as we are going, I'm giving you methods that are able to make you a lot of money, and many people are not maximizing them. The third method that you can use to make money on Facebook is through Facebook ads. Now, when it comes to Facebook ads, you can either decide to run Facebook ads to sell your own products, or run Facebook ads for another business or another person, especially small businesses. A lot of them don't know how to run Facebook ads efficiently. Now, if you take some time and learn how to create well-performing Facebook ads, trust me, you'll make a lot of money from them. Because out of all the social media platforms that I know, if you remove YouTube, I think Facebook is the second most perfect social media platform for businesses to advertise themselves. And if you are able to create a very good ad, then there are high chances that you will attract a lot of clients from these ads. A mistake that a lot of people do is improper targeting. When you're creating an ad, for example, you are selling custom Ankara bags, you don't just target everyone. Target people who either went to Koroga Festival, people who love culture, and they are from a country like Kenya. If you are selling candles, target people who love cozy lifestyle. Now, if you do proper targeting on Facebook, trust me, you'll get a lot of clients compared to any other social media platform. Now, the fourth method is partnering with brands. This is a little bit hard, not like the other three that I've given you. We are going to from easy one to the hardest one, but the hardest one will give you more money compared to the easiest ones. Now, if you partner with a brand, for instance, you partner with a betting company, for instance, you partner with a clothing line, you'll be able to make a lot of money, but only if you have enough audience. Now, the challenge with this method of making money on Facebook is that it needs you to have a wider audience. You should have a lot of followers. Now, before you start this method, I think you should create content that people are interested in. Build a following, build an audience. Then when you build an audience, brands will come to you. And if they don't come to you, then you go to them manually. Trust me, if you set up yourself very nicely, you can even partner with marketing companies like Yetu Project. They will outsource the best clients for you. And trust me, you can make even $100,000 a month with this method. Now, let's go on to the fifth method that you can use to make money on Facebook this year. Now, you have created a following. You have a lot of people. When you post a video, you get a lot of likes, you get a lot of comments. Now, the next step that you can use to make money besides partnering with other brands is by offering Facebook subscriptions. There's a method on Facebook whereby you lock part of your content for people who have paid for the subscription. This is exclusive content. You can decide, you either tease a video, give 3 strategies. Like this video, I could have given you 3 strategies, and then from the 4th strategy of making money on Facebook, you have to be a paid subscriber to watch that content. Trust me, even if you charge just $5 a month for the subscription, if you get 100 people to pay for that $5, that's $500 which you can easily get on Facebook every month. Now, what about if you have 1 million followers who are paying? That's more than 6 figures on Facebook each month. Now, on to our 6th method that you can use to make money on Facebook this year. Now, the 6th method, you have to have a little bit of knowledge in marketing and how to run a social media page. You can learn all these online. You don't need a degree to hack this method. This method is whereby you manage Facebook pages for small businesses and even big businesses. I have done this. I've managed a lot of people's social media pages, and trust me, it pays a lot of money because you're not stuck into working with only one company. You can manage Facebook pages for different companies, and if each company pays you $20,000, then if you have only 5 companies that you are working for, in a month you'll be making more than $100K. When it comes to managing Facebook pages, what you need is to know how to package Facebook content, deliver it well, attract attention from other people, and more so, increase the engagement on your posts. If you do this and these clients and your clients get their clients, then trust me, you'll get many people who will need your services to market them or to promote their Facebook pages or even run their Facebook pages, and you can easily make $100K a month without breaking any sweat. Now, on to the last method that I'm going to give you in this video is creating a Facebook page or group and monetizing it. On this page, you can sell products through affiliate links. You can take products from platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and you sell through your Facebook page or group. Now, the trick here is that you must have a wide audience. Let's say from 10,000 followers and more. By doing this, you are able to sell anything. You can even sell your own products or promote other people's products on your Facebook, and you'll be able to make a lot of money. Now, for today, those are the methods that you can use to make money on Facebook. I've left 3 points out intentionally. I have created a guide on how you can make money on Facebook. On the description, I'll put a link. Click that link, go through that guide, and trust me, that guide will shed light to you in how you can make money in 2025. Either it's a side hustle, either you just want some passive income, or you want to convert this into your full-time job. Until the next video, I wish you all the best.